Anyway, that's cheered me up. Oggy needs a new Jetwash now. Someone's only gone and burnt it out, haven't they, cleaning a street triple R. Tickled me.
Mobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger up the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
So here we are. And these little bar risers. Oggy fitted for me, 30 millers. And some proper. I mean, I'm not that too happy with the fitting of them, considering they were day ones. You know what I mean? They don't seem to fit that well, but they're made for the bike. They just could have put some caps to finish the hands off, cover them up, shit like that. But yeah, change the bike, a lot better, no pain. I also got this. Scratch me paint, which is a like cushion seat. Thought I'd give that a whirl as well for touring, but because that's so thick there, sat on it, it takes the bar riser things off. It's not worth having raised. So here we are again. Another quick trip up our broths. Here my daddy got COVID. So I'm going up to, she's got an Iceland order coming, so I'm going up, give her a hand, get that in. It's windy today, Sunday it is, and it's windy, nice day but windy and cold. Got me heated grips on there, keep these little pinkies warm. I don't think we'll be going anywhere today on bike. I'm feeling a bit shitty. Not COVID though, done a test every day. Next coming back. So I'm an immune. That's what I am, immune. Yeah, since I've updated my GoPro, I plugged my power bank in now and the screen turns on by itself. I've got to turn it off. Every now and then I'm losing sound on it as well when I'm recording, so they need to get another update out to sort that out. I should have left it how it was. It just well, you always think update, it'll be better. Fucking hell, I wish I'd left it how it was. It's reliable without the update, so now I've got to wait and keep checking shit, see if I've got sound to it, and that's irritating. Went out with Oggy last Monday up to Matlock and that, and Grindleford station. Press record all the way back. The first couple had sound on and about 3 after that didn't. It was just video, and that's, we're not touching it, it just went off. So yeah, that was shit. This road here, resurfacing, and they've peeled it all up like this, and it's actually smoother, this part is, than what it was with all the potholes in. So yeah, just leave it like this, boys. But this road is off for 80 weeks starting from next week. 80 weeks, a year and a half. So that's going to be a pain in the arse, that is. Going to take longer to get work and everything. Warmingham Lane's off, the other way I go. That's supposed to be coming back on in May sometime, but otherwise it's going to be go through Sandbatch to get to Middlewich. Oh, so that's going to be a pain in the arse. So yeah, just try and do a little video. Hopefully I asked Oggy last night to take his Jetwash across my mum's. Depends if he goes out walking, because we're not going out on bike. I think he's going out with Sharon today for a wander. But yeah, it'd be nice. My bike's rammed, it needs a good clean. It's not had a proper clean since last year. It's been wiped over. The belly pan on it is looking black. got a camping trip soon, Elon Valley. I think that's about it's about the 13th of May weekend. Going down on the Friday till the Sunday. That'll be my first biking trip, that will, camping. Not even got sleeping bags yet. They're all fitted, so they're all like them little fucking condom sleeping bags now. You can't get, you know, a normal sleeping bag. So I don't know what we're going to get. We'll end up getting some, but leave it till last minute so we're forced into just grabbing some. Oh, the magic cyclist. Hate them. If you're a cyclist, I just want you to know that I hate you. I've noticed this year I'm using my back brake more. Never used to use my back brake. But yeah, I don't know. So that's changing. It's changing his riding style. Love a bit of back brake action. Can't go wrong with it. Oh God, tired. So yeah, I've got to enter the COVID house in a minute. Dun dun dun. Alright mate, fuck's sake. Oh God, I left the indicator on. That one was for you, Og. All the way down there. Give you that one. Left it on. Got to be paranoid about the indicator now. I'm looking. I'm getting a bad name for myself, like Oggy, I will. And he has got a bad name for himself. Damon garage, put a bit of juice in. It's the Skyboff school up here. Not too far from home, but far enough not to get caught. No more cyclists. bit of V-power. Yeah, get in there. Get in there, yeah. Oh, we're having a little special time together, yeah. Yeah, oh. Screw it now. Get myself down. Come on, a little bit more. Yeah. Give it a shake, yeah. Yeah, all filled up, stuck behind. Seems like a learner rider, but he's not. And Suzuki, looks like a V-Strom.
A few moments later.
It's okay. I've just burnt his Jetwash out. Bushes are smoking. Cleaning my bike, but he's done.
Fuck off, you yes. Fucking that's one there,
There it is.
Gets on fire.
Little baby, all clean. Burnt his Jetwash, there it is by the bin. It's smoking.
They're putting him in my bike. I'll stay there.
There's my little bar risers he's fitted. Done a good job, hasn't he? God rest your soul, little Jetwash. You've been very helpful. Here we are, on the way back now. Hopefully we've got sound to this one. Yeah, burnt Oggy's Jetwash out. He weren't happy when he saw the smoke. Tickled me though. Tickled me, it did. Big part of the family, he was. I think we'll call him Bob. Bob the Jetwash. Helped our broth with a little Iceland order. Put that away for her. She needs to get on bed, she's feeling drained today. Hey up, what's that? Blow the cobwebs off you, baby! Yeah, bar risers on a bike. Completely different bike now. Proper comfy. More confident on it because you sat up more. Yeah, it's best thing. Best thing. That's another good mod I've done. Me quick shift and me bar risers. Recommended. You're gonna do big miles on it. That cushion, that ain't gonna go on because it just cancels out your bar risers because you raised your arse up then. But did 200 miles last Sunday with Oggy when we went for summer to eat down Wales and that, and never got a sore arse at all because different seating position now as well with these bar risers on. So yeah, made up. So I reckon I could do full days on this easy now. I need some wider boots though. These RSTs are just narrow near my toes. It fucking crunch my toes together. The day of riding, my big toes are killing. Unless I go up another size, but I think it's a width more than, it's not the length, it's a width. So I don't think that'll make any difference. But that fucking big duck feet I must have.